dress, the shoes, the flowers, the jewelry, the makeup, the big price tags. This morning we're talking about prom and how you can cut costs. There you go. I'm so excited about this story because I have so many nephews and nieces. It gets expensive. And here with more is our resident money honey, Rochelle Shaw. Rochelle, thanks for joining us.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
I always love having you because I walk away with all these great ideas and great tips. So let's talk. Parents watching right now, again, they want to cut costs, they want to save some money. How can they do it?
Yeah, well, my favorite is have a mocktail party, right? So they say have a cocktail party, but of course they're underage. So the cocktails are for the parents because they're glad that this is going to be over.
Exactly.
For the kids, instead of going to a formal dinner, have a cocktail party so that you bring them in, you have appetizers, and they're not going to eat much anyway. It'll save you a ton of money.
Exactly, because they'll be so excited about going to prom, they don't want to get their dresses dirty or their
So it'll save you close to $200.
And it's also a great way for parents. I've seen some of my friends who have kids who are going to prom. Yeah. It is great to have the parents there as well. They get so into it as well. They want to take the pictures. They want to be with the kids. So it's a great way for all of them to come together.
Yes, and then they can ride together too. So then maybe you can all go in on the limo or somebody else can take them. So that's just an extra bonus tip for you.
Yeah,
awesome.
What else do you have for us?
So I love like the gowns. So, Joey gave some great tips about renting the gowns, but even if you don't have the 75, Ross, TJ Maxx, all of the discount stores have them for under $30. They're beautiful, beautiful dresses.
And again, these are dresses, I've been there, that you can buy for $300, $400 at the mall, but there you can get it, as you mentioned, for like under $30.
Right. The key is to start shopping now. And the second one is, even if it's not your size, if it's too big, get the bigger one because you can always tailor it to fit you, and especially to fit the girls nowadays, right?
Yeah, exactly. Wait, let's talk about shoes, another big thing here. A lot of women spend a lot of money on shoes.
On shoes. I say, it's one day. It's one day. So make sure that your shoes are a great investment. So I like to start with a Payless, at Target, at TJ Maxx. The best thing about Payless is they have buy one, get one.
Yes,
so you go in with a friend, and you and your friend can have the shoes together, and now it doesn't cost you so much.
And another tip for our lovely young ladies, make sure they are comfy, especially if you'll be dancing all night, right?
Isn't that there's nothing worse than that pinky toe on the bottom that hurts. It's just the worst. It's just the worst.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about hair, makeup, nails, all that good stuff. That's another added cost.
Oh my goodness. And I've seen it where hair and makeup is over $200. That's crazy for one day. So have your friends get together. One of them is great on hair. I always have that friend that's really great hair, really great nails, really great with makeup. So I like to interchange those. Have a pre-party before when you have the mocktails and the appetizers, and the girls get ready all together.
See, that's all great. I love the fact, again, money-saving tips.
Yeah.
Again, it's only one night. Why spend all that money when you can, save that money for college kids?
Right. Well, remember, this is an experience, right?
Yeah.
So they have the rest of their lives to go somewhere and get their hair done. They don't have this time with their friends and family.
And before we leave you, another great one is we have some great organizations here helping kids who might not be able to afford that prom dress.
Absolutely. The charitable organizations are definitely there. There's Catholic Charities that are there. There's several others that will help you find a dress. You can always go to the thrifty stores and find some dresses there or other places where you can get it together. So, don't always feel like it needs to be a $500 affair.
Exactly.
You can do it for under $50.
Exactly. All right. Thank you so much for your wonderful tips.
You're
and
welcome.
Tomorrow we have the folks over at Safe Kids Clark County to give us tips on how to keep your kids safe during prom. Dave?